Hello guys, today we're gonna go in the amazing theater circus. There's the bunny and the monkeys like a Then let's try. To the loading servers. Go to the big and
Avani and Jet, you're also going home winners. You guys are winning a Florian Prince and a
there's no
Jared
big
Vanderbilt signed
big
autograph
house.
basketball. Everyone
Let's
puts
go
our hands
Zoom
together for all
Island.
three of our
So
winners
there's
tonight.
Zoom
Study tayo mamaya ha.
Zoom Island 2.
Ha?
Wait. This is wrong. Let me go back. Menu. I thought I wrong way. Let's go. Oh, I mean that's a story. I forgot. Wait for a minute. Go to sleep again.
The upcoming national TV schedule, ESPN with a couple good ones tomorrow night, Mavs in Miami, and the Timberwolves against the champion Nuggets. TNT Thursday, Knicks, Celtics, Pelicans in Sacramento. All these games go to NBA.
Wait, what? Oh my god, I am here. Okay. Wait a second. We go here, go down.
So
everyone gets to see I am going to the amazing theater circus. After I do go to the amazing theater circus, I see when it was playing it, I go there, but it's too dangerous here. So I am gonna
Great anticipation there by Louis. He's off to the races. There's the slap down there by Wiggins on the chase down. So 73% free throw shooter. He has played in a career high now 66 games this season as Rui Hachimura. So the Warriors off to a terrific start tonight.
But it's so far.
Get back out there. Every rebound's yours. Just a little more down there. Patience, but force, right? Let's just tighten
I'm so
everything up
far.
on the offensive side execution
Now
and bury these guys this last 4 minutes, all right?
There's our State Farm audio assist. Ratings are not sure at the other end. Golden State, 54%, 13 of 19 from 3. Spinning Curry behind the back to Green, free to fire triple.
What is going on here with Draymond Green? Is he what, an honorary splash brother? Is he a cousin?
Distance tonight. That's three.
They're going to get Klay Thompson on the wrist. Draymond Green was perfect from the three-point line tonight. Watch the feet right here. 1-2. Just let it go.
Circus is not wearing. Actually, go in the
It is
house. Ow!
interesting with these two teams, and specifically with Green against the Lakers. In the three-game totals against LA this season, he scored 22 points total, as not including tonight, 33 rebounds, 29 assists. With him on the floor, Reggie, in the three previous games against LeBron and the Lakers, plus 62. When he's off the floor, plus 38. I mean, what he does, what he means, is
I'm going
incomparable.
here.
And that's why all those games missed with all those incidents that he had. Rudy Gobert, Nurkic. I mean, those cost us games, right? And that's why we find themselves right now currently in the gym. Think about who played in those games, how important he is. You know, maybe they're sitting up there at
Ow, ow.
5, 6,
Oh my god,
or
I'm so
7.
close.
Wiggins will slide and spin out to the line, get around Hayes.
Whoa, yo.
Wiggins here.
Yo, I am so close.
He's got 10. The players ended against the Jazz in San Francisco. He's lost it. Well, Russell.
Yo, player, yo. Let me see it. Yo, I mean, yo, bruh. She's not a killer, bruh. Are you serious, right? But
Time will come. Out there was Jackson
that
Hayes.
is very scary. Yo,
Trying to knock it away.
I think this ball is still going
I
up.
said, bro. I mean,
Really close.
bruh. Stop bullying me.
And
Look at that. He's saying.
as you said,
Yo.
Once he gives the ball to the player,
Bye-bye.
let's go.
But that people are so crazy.
Lakers will take it the other way.
There's boss.
And I think that would have been a successful challenge, by the way.
Wonka. Yeah!
Lakers are tied for their second best
Ex-teammate doesn't like me.
over 500.
Bruh, why? Why? I don't do anything first.
He's got 10 and a couple
Not
threes. In
me.
this quarter, 3 for the game.
Not me.
That's that shooting game.
Not me, Verse. Verse.
Why not?
Here's a flamethrower. Where to take the lead, never say.
Say zoom like
Oh my
Jeez.
What a fun read.
But
It's the Austin Reeves
But-
Draymond Green
but
show.
I
This is what we signed up for. Who
make
cares about Stephen Curry and LeBron James?
Difference of 6 seconds. Came back and shot clock. Screen by Green.
did
Three
not
by Scott.
make,
Rebound by Hachimura. 10 seconds to go. Here
I
comes
mean,
LA.
made
Down by 11. They trail by 17. Curry and Reeves. Dancing, firing. Halftime here.
but I did not make green.
Putting on a shooting display.
Wait a second.
15 points.
Wonky Wonka? Wonky Wonka? No. That's guys, can you tell me the comments so I can tell you something, okay? I want 10 comments, guys. Good luck, guys. If you see a chicken in Amazing Potato Circus, don't touch the monkey like, then I do it again, okay? Good luck, guys.